Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and it's your boy KNX here. And well, if you don't know me and you just click in this video because of the title, I'm here to tell you that it's really true. Today we're gonna turn KSI into a pop figure, and first of all, let me just explain how the fuck this idea came to my mind. Well, I was fine in my chair, ready to go see a little of YouTube, and out of nowhere I come across a video on how to create a pop figure in Blender, and I thought that why no one has yet created pop figures from famous people, and well, it was in that time that I have the brilliant idea to create this video. So yeah, that's it. This is how I have this brilliant idea.
What the hell?
Well, let's continue with the video. And now I just needed a photo of KSI, so it's very simple. I just need to search KSI in Google, and there is a lot of pictures or photos of KSI. So with a little bit of time expended in this, I found the right one to recreate KSI as a pop figure. And well, you are seeing right now the photo that we're gonna use as a reference. Now we are in the website of the Funko Pop figures to create our pop figure, that it's basically KSI. So KSI in that photo that we choose, he's basically like that or more like that. Yeah, but I could change the face, I could change the hair, the outfit, the accessories, the background, but well, I don't need nothing of this because I already have the photo that I'm gonna use as a reference, and I already have the photo that we're gonna use. I'm gonna click here, done, KSI base mesh, save, and right here I'm gonna download this photo. This photo, it's the photo that we're gonna use in Blender as a reference to create the body shape of a Funko Pop figure. So yeah, that's it, guys. We already have everything, so let's get straight into it and let's go to Blender. Alright, boys, we are here in Blender, and well, I'm here creating our base mesh and the mesh that we're gonna use to create KSI in cartoon style and as a pop figure. So yeah, probably this will be really cool, but with a little bit of less tails, because well, this is a cartoon style. So in a cartoon style we don't have any sort of or we don't have a lot of details in something. We have a little bit of details in that and a little bit of details in other things, but well, in normally we don't have a lot of details. Probably the most detailed thing it's the hair. I think the hair in this character will be the most detailed thing that we need to do. Well, I'm gonna try my best to recreate it, but I don't know how it will turn on in the final render or in the final project. But that's it, guys. And well, if you didn't saw the last videos that I'm uploading every single day, boys. So if you didn't saw, go see it. They are really cool, and you're gonna have a lot of fun singing it, and you're gonna learn a lot from it too. So that's it, boys.
Racing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Up to my chin, won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams, while you were chasing everything else but me. I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. Down, cause the future is now. Not backing down, cause the future is now. Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sounds. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, you jump the fire. We'll just sit and wait till you see me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one. Queen of hearts never breaks. Falling asleep here might just take a while. Try not to grind your teeth, dreaming to touch my style. Well, can't say I blame you, trying to come close to, but all you can do. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Got the wrong. Got the wrong guy. Then try to tell me you got the wrong guy.
Well, congratulations guys, welcome to the final of this video, and this is the final render and the final result of our pop figure, of our funk pop figure. I think that it's looking pretty good and pretty cool, so tell me what is your thoughts about this project, and I see you in the next time guys.